Hey everybody, it's Nick with Connect English, and I'm here with another Connect in a Minute video to help you speak English more clearly. A lot of students like to use relaxed speech like wanna, gonna, shoulda, as they get better and better at English. But I hear a lot of mistakes with wanna. Let me tell you what it is and help you avoid it. This is great. I wanna go. This is great. You wanna go. But this down here, she wanna go, he wanna go, it wanna go. No, those are not okay. That's not how we say it in native English speaker English. This is what you do. She wants to go. He wants to go. It wants to go. So say it with me. She wants to go. That's the right thing to say, not she wanna go. So look at all these. I wanna go. You wanna go. She wants to go. We want to go. You all want to go. They want to go. Those are fine. Connect in a minute.